Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 6th Subject Mathematics.
Dear students, in the previous class we have studied about properties of whole numbers. Using these properties, today we will do some problems. First one, example problem, find 14 plus 17 plus 6. Here we are using associative property for addition. Okay, first 14 plus 17, here we are grouping. Then 6 is outside in the bracket. Okay, 14 plus 17 is 31. 7 plus 4 is 11. Balance 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 17 plus 14 is 31. 31 plus 6 equal to 37. Here we are grouping 17 plus 6. First we will do in bracket. Okay, so 17 plus 6. Here 17 plus 6 is 23. Then 14 outside. So 14 plus 23 is 37. Here we are getting same result by both the ways. Okay. Now let us go to second example. Find 8 into 1769 into 125. I am going to pair of 8 and 125 because we get it 0 in one space. Okay. First we are grouping 8 into 125 into 1769. Okay. Then multiply these two numbers. 8 into 125 is 1000. 8 into 125 is 1000. Then remaining number 1769. Okay. Then multiply these two numbers. We get it answer 17,69,030. First write it this number and then number of zeros here 30 here. Right, 30. Okay. Answer is 17,69,000. Let us go to exercise problem. Okay. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. 125, given number is 125 into 40 into 8 into 25. Okay. Answer is, solution is 120. First we are grouping 125 and 8 because we get 0 in one space. Okay. 125 into 8, then other group is 40 into 25. Here we are two group. Okay. First 125 multiply 8. 125 into 8 is 1000. Okay. Then 40 into 25. Here we are getting 1000. So in shortcut multiplication is 1 into 1 is 1. Then how many zeros here? Here is 3. Here is 3. Okay. 6 zeros here. So 6 0 right here. Answer is 10 lakh. Okay. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. Okay. Rearrangement means we always pair of that numbers which we get it 0 in one space. Okay. Then given numbers are 125 into 40 into 8 into 25. Here we are getting the number 125 and 8. 125 into 8. This is one group. And another group is 40 into 25. Okay. The two groups are here. Then multiply these two numbers. Okay. 125 into 8 is 1000. Then another group is multiplied. 40 into 25. 40 into 25 is 1000. And then these two numbers are multiplied. Okay, 1 into 1 is 1. Then how many zeros here? Here 3 zeros and then here 3 zeros. So 6 zeros. Okay, so then write 6 zero here and we get it answer 10 lakh. Okay. Now let us go to exercise problem. First sum. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Given numbers are 837 plus 208 plus 363. Rearrangement means we always pair of that numbers which we get 0 in one's place. Here pair of number is 837 plus 363. Look in one's place. Okay, 7 plus 3 is 10. So one's place is 0. Here these two numbers are grouping. Okay, so 837 plus 363. Here add these two numbers. So 837 plus 363. Okay. 7 plus 3 is 10. Balance 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 0 here. Then carry 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay. 837 plus 363 is 1200. Okay. Remaining number 208. And then these two numbers are added. Okay. 1200 plus 208 is 1408. Answer is 1408. Okay. Now let us go to second problem. 1962 plus 453 plus 1538 plus 647. Here 4 numbers are given. First 1962 and 1538. Here we are grouping because we get it one's place is 0. Okay, 8 plus 2 is 10. And then 453 plus 647 are grouping. Okay, then these two group are here. And then these two numbers are added. 1962 plus 1538. Okay. 8 plus 2 is 10. Balance 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay. Carry 1. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. 3500. And then another group adding. Okay, 647 plus 453. 7 plus 3 is 10. Carry 1. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. So 453 plus 647 is 1100. Okay, then 3500 plus 1100 is added. Here 0 plus 0 is 0 and then 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. Here 3500 plus 1100. Answer is 4600. Okay. Next one. Example problem. Okay. Find 12 into 35. using distributive property. Here using distributive property. Okay, solution 12 into 35. Expand form of 35 is 30 plus 5. Okay, 12 into 35 expand form 30 plus 5. Okay. Here using distributive property. A into B plus C equal to what? A into B plus A into C. Okay. Using distributive property. Here 12 into 30 plus 12 into 5. Okay. Then multiply these two numbers. 12 into 3 is 36. 1 0 here. So write here the 0. Okay. Then 12 5 are 60. Then these two numbers are added. 360 plus 60. Okay. Here 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 6 is 12. So write 2 here and then carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Answer is 420. Here using distributive property 12 into 35. Expand form of 35 is 30 plus 5. Okay. 12 into 30 plus 12 into 5. Multiply these two numbers. We get it answer 420. Okay. Next go to exercise problem. Find the product using suitable properties. Here using distributive property. Okay. 854 into 102. Here expand form of 102 is 100 plus 2. Okay. Then 854 into expand form of 102 is 100 plus 2. Then distribute these two numbers. Okay, 854 is distribute to 100 plus 2. So 854 into 100. Then 854 into 2. Okay. Then product these two numbers. 854 into 100 is, write this number and then how many zeros here? 2 0 here. So add these two zero are right here. Okay. Then 854 into 2. 854 into 2 is 1708. Okay. Then these two numbers are added. 0 plus 8 is 8. Then 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 4 is 11. Write 1 here, carry 1 here. Okay. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Then 8 here. Okay. Answer is 87,108. Once again, find the product using suitable properties. Here using distributive property. 854 into 102. Expand form of 102 is 100 plus 2. Okay. Then distribute this number using these two numbers. So 854 into 100. Then 854 into 2. Then multiply these two numbers. We get an answer. 854 into 100. We get the answer 85,400. Okay. Then 854 into 2. We get the answer 1,708. And then add these two numbers. We get the answer 87,108. Answer is 87,108. Okay.
Dear students, do the homework sums properly. Thank you.